This is a Norcold refrigerator model MRFT40. We have it temp testing on the coldest setting right now. Here is our indicator. This is not included in the sale, but that's our Fluke thermometer. And as you can see, we have it all the way to the coldest. I'll cut it down to just cool. I'll cut it down to just cool, and we'll see the temp meter rise. Here's a zoom in on the label there. You can pause the video. There's some blemishes. There's a black mark there. There's a dent right there. Obviously used. Comes with a power cable and a car cable to plug into your cigarette lighter. Latches work good. There's your handle there. And that's your Norcold thermometer. You can see it right there. It's getting a little warmer slightly. It's pretty cold inside. You can open up. We'll see how cold it is inside there now. Yeah, we can feel it. You can't see on the video, but it's really cold here. And it's semi-clean, so. And that's the Norcold refrigerator.